Today we're working on a pretty fresh Z06. It's not brand new, but I'll tell you what, it looks good. We're putting this Stratos film on there. We're doing 35% Stratos on the sides, and then we're doing 50 on the windshield. It's the best quality stuff we have. It's a thicker film. That's for all the window tint guys out there. They would know that it's a little harder to work with. But for all the customers out there, it's a lot better heat rejection and a lot of clarity when you're looking out of your windshield with a light film on it. Doesn't have the big glare, the sunburst, none of that stuff. So it's all good stuff. We're gonna have a lifetime warranty with this thing. We're gonna wrap this whole thing clear PPF, all Llumar products. We're gonna make this shit happen. Oh, sorry.
So behind me, Justin is about to get started on the Z06, and this customer decided to go full body PPF because he wants to keep that beautiful red mist metallic paint looking perfect. So every painted surface is going to get PPF, which is going to help keep it safe from rock chips, scratches, and UV damage. So again, stay tuned because this thing's going to look incredible and be well protected when we're done with it. So the guys just finished up the Z06 and it looks absolutely incredible. And the best part is it's gonna stay looking that way thanks to its full body PPF and ceramic coating. It's gonna stay safe from rock chips and scratches, but also the tint we put on, it's gonna keep the interior safe from fading and cracking and keep everyone in there feeling nice and cool thanks to its heat rejection and UV protection. If you're interested in PPF, ceramic coatings, or window tint, definitely give us a call. Our sales staff up front would love to talk to you about which one of our services would work best for you and your vehicle.